Hello and welcome to another session. In this session we will take a look at this Zenith Surf, which is a watch from 1990s, I think. A rare model. This is a quart watch. And I'm not sure if it works or not, but we will take a little bit look and change the battery. And have some scratches there on this glass also. We just changed the battery on this model. Let's see how you do that. Well, at the moment I have no clue how to actually remove this strap. Guess I'm pretty tired now, so we will just open this up. Zoom out a little bit here. So there should be, as you see here, you can open it up a little bit. There you go. Let's take a little bit look here. Gold plated bezel, here's the logo, the reference. Also. Cool. Sure on this one, but let's see here. You can see here it's a Varta V370 and the movement is a Zenith, as you can see. Looks very original. And this also, there's a caliber there. It's ETA 555-415. So actually we'll just take this one out. Take a little bit look there. Let's see. Pretty easy change, and it works so far. Need to close this also. I left this one on now. Might need a just this one also. There you go. Let's take a little bit look also. So yeah, the first one you change the date, and then there's a third one, I guess. The time stops. So we will leave it be a little bit. Really need to polish this glass. I don't have any for that now. I have, so I can, maybe I have, I'm not sure if I have. We'll take a look. Seems to be working good. Let's see. There you go. I'll take a look and see if I can remove any of these scratches. It depends a little bit also. Yeah. So I just polish a little bit, but you know, it's still a lot of work to do, but you can see the difference though. Need to actually also remove this a little bit. But let's see if it keeps the time, hopefully. But that's how you change the battery. This one, and remember it's a V370 for this one. Thank you so much for watching.